Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the fast, secure, and web browser, which is the Google Chrome browser, using or just by using a command in the command prompt. Well, that is very interesting because most of the time we download and install Google Chrome through the Microsoft Edge browser. So how can we do that? Then let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Now you have to click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. That's the very first thing that you should not forget. Then here we need to simply type the first command, so just simply follow me. It's winget space search Chrome. Very easy commands. It's winget space search space Chrome, hit enter. And let's just wait in a while. And you will find these results. Now you have here Google Chrome. Now once this is stated in here, then we need to type the second command. So here, type when get space install capital letter G Google dot Chrome. The same thing as what you can see on the screen. It's winget space install space Google dot Chrome and then hit the enter key on your keyboard. And now this is now downloading and installing the Google Chrome browser. So let's just wait in a while until the process has been completed so that we can verify if this is an effective way on how we can install Google Chrome into our Windows. Okay, so let's just wait in a while. Now it states successfully installed. Let's type exit, hit enter, and then let's search for Google Chrome in the Windows search bar, and there you go. We have just installed Google Chrome into our Windows. So that's it. You can just simply click on sign in with your account in here and then enjoy the Chrome browser. So I hope this helped you, a very interesting way in how you can install Google Chrome using a command prompt. And please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.